DJ Sawoop remix. It's a must. Ratata. It's a must. Reggae. Ratata. This DJ Sawoop. DJ Sawoop.
I'm a Uso with attitude, 280 watts in a performance mentality. West Side G, ooh man, let's go. Here we go again.
West Side G.
No FedEx, they'll stay G. Mobbing like a red eye. West Side G. Watch that chicken feeling possess IG. But as them gone, you now fix me. By your next IG. Yeah. Try to be the best man I could be. She's a worthy argument over everything. She's over me. I told her, baby, I can never be with another. I'd be lying if I told her no other woman that I love. But it seems that she don't mind, 'cause her light's going to find a way to shine without me. She don't want me love the way I try to make it work. She doesn't see the pain I face living life without her. She don't want me love. She don't want me messing. She's over me. She don't want me. She don't want me love. She don't want me. She don't want me love. I told her that I really let her be. I'm scared 'cause she's got to face this cold world without me. But it's a hard life, and I know I got to move on. I know it's gonna be hard, but I gotta be a man. Fight my emotions and I crumble at this tough time. I'm trying to learn that I ain't her man. 'Cause she don't want me love the way I try to make it work. She doesn't see the pain I face living life without her. She don't want me love. She don't want me messing. She's over me. She don't want me love. She don't want me love. I'm not for that cool enough of my color. I'm more than anything that can get off your wall. Find out. You know a lot of girls be thinking my songs about them. This is not to be confused. This one's for you. Oh yeah. See, this the type of joint you gotta dedicate to somebody. Just make sure they that